Hi, I'm Chef Leanne, and this is We the Sweet. Typically, I'm working with chocolate and making desserts, but I have got coconut shrimp on the brain, so we're gonna go savory today. I'm gonna be showing you guys a really cool American almond product. An American almond is our premium nut product line. We have a really great range of almond flour and other nut flours, as well as nut paste and nut butters. But today, I'm going to be featuring our coconut crunch, which is what I'm going to use to batter my coconut shrimp. It's going to be awesome.